So we're using a lithium-ion battery. It's the safest chemistry that exists in the lithium-ion battery market, and it's the leading technology for safety and energy density on the market today. And we've been working with, in conjunction with the local fire department, to make sure that every safety protocol is in place and keeping both our employees here safe and the community around the plant safe as well. Because of all the safety improvements that we made with fire protection in the plant and working closely with the fire department, there is virtually zero chance of any type of fire event happening here at the plant. On top of that, we are applying for LEED certification, environmental certification, which it goes beyond any EPA requirements that may be in place for us as well. So we'll be going above and beyond all the local and state requirements for both environmental and fire protection here at the plant.